Today we're going to be changing the shifter bezel on our 1965 Ford Mustang. Come on, let me show you. What we're going to need for this is a T10 and a Phillips head screwdriver. And we're going to put our new one in and change our old one out. Start by taking the shifter top off with our T10. There we go. Ours is magnetized. So and that should come right out. Okay. And then we have to unscrew these 4 screws. Really just lift it off. Get our new cruise-o-matic shifter. Like that. Actually, yeah, it's in park, so let's match up the screws. So she's in pretty good, all of her in. There we go. Okay. All right. Let's give it a try. And that's how you change your cruise-o-matic shifter bezel in your 1965 Ford Mustang. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.